Hi guys, welcome to Wise Steps for All. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make videos like this. And please, if you're not subscribed to us yet, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that you'll get to see more of our videos. And please share this video if you enjoy it. Kindly share it to your friends so that they can learn from this as well. Thank you.
Miniature cooking videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now. Take a look at this channel called Tiny Kitchen. 150,000 subscribers, 11 videos. Their top short video hit 170 million views. The next one did 10 million. Another did 2.9 million. Tiny pans, tiny food, real sounds. That format is pulling millions of views on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram right now. And most people creating in this niche are still filming it by hand. And here's why this is a real opportunity right now. Because nobody in this niche is doing it with AI. The channels pulling millions of views are still filming by hand. Real kitchens, real setups, real editing time. But this master prompt I built changes that completely. It connects Claude AI and Flow AI into one system that produces the same style of miniature cooking videos in under a minute, for free. Most people who try this get it wrong because they're writing prompts from scratch every single time. The output looks generic, the videos die at 200 views, and they give up. I'm not going to show you how to prompt from scratch. I'm going to show you a master prompt system that handles everything. The food, the style, the production, all in one go. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI miniature cooking content system ready to generate and post completely free. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to make a video like this is a master prompt. And I've already built a complete master prompt for you. This single prompt is what drives the entire workflow. It handles the food selection, the video style, and the production prompt. Everything. You don't need to write anything from scratch. To get this prompt, just write "Simply AI" in the comments below, and I'll reply with exactly where and how to get it. Once you have it, open it and keep it somewhere you can see it, because we're going to be using it right now. Now, the next thing you need is an AI chatbot, and you can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Claude AI. I'm going with Claude AI for this one. Open Claude AI and create a new chat. Then go back to your master prompt, copy everything, the entire thing from top to bottom, and paste it directly into Claude. Hit send and give it a few seconds. Now watch what happens here, because this is the part that surprises most people. Claude is going to give you a list of 10 different food types you can create a video about. You can see options like sandwich, burger, pizza, fried rice, pancakes, and more. All you do is reply with the food you want, either the name or the number next to it, and hit send. Then Claude will ask you one more question. What video format do you want? Long-form YouTube video or YouTube Shorts? Pick the one that works for you. I'm going with YouTube Shorts. And now here's where it gets interesting. Hit send, and in just a few seconds, Claude generates a complete, ready-to-use video production prompt. For a cooking video you didn't script, didn't plan, didn't write. You went from a blank chat to a full video prompt in under a minute. And you haven't touched a single video tool yet. Copy that prompt. We're about to turn it into an actual video. Now, this is the part I want you to pay close attention to, because what you're about to see is what makes this whole workflow worth it. Come over to Flow AI. The link is in the description. Once you're in, create a new project. Before you paste your prompt, there are a few settings you need to confirm first. Click the small box on the right side of the prompt box and make sure it's set to video, not image. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16, output to 1x, video model to OmniFlash, and duration to 10 seconds. These settings are what tell Flow AI exactly how to build the video. So take 10 seconds to confirm everything looks right before moving on. Once your settings are confirmed, paste your prompt into the box and hit send. Now, just watch. In a few seconds, that's it. Look at that. A realistic miniature cooking video. No camera, no set, no editing, just one prompt, and Flow AI built the entire thing. And notice what it's cooking. Exactly the food type you selected back in Claude. The whole system connected from beginning to end. Take a second to appreciate that. You just created a video that looks like it took hours, and it took less than a minute. Click the three-dot icon and download it in the highest quality available. That is a ready-to-post YouTube short. You didn't film anything. You didn't edit anything. You didn't write a single line of narration. Here's what makes this more than just a one-time trick. Here's what makes this a real content system. Go back to Claude AI. Stay inside the same chat. Don't start a new one. Scroll up to where it listed all 10 food types and pick the next one you want. Copy it, paste it into the chat, and hit send. Claude will ask for your format. Reply with the same selection as before. In a few seconds, you'll have a brand new video prompt. Copy it. Go back to Flow AI. Confirm the settings are the same. Paste it and hit send. Same process, same speed, different video, and that's the point. You're not starting over every time. You're not building a new workflow. You're not finding new tools. You're just picking the next food on the list, and the system does the rest. 10 food types, 10 videos, each one ready to post, all from one master prompt. That is a content system, and you built it in under 10 minutes. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment. I'll be there. And to get the master prompt that powers this entire workflow, just write Simply AI in the comments, and I'll reply with exactly where to find it. If this was useful, make sure you like and subscribe.